Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to deposit money on eToro. So in this video I'm going to show you the step guide on how to deposit money on eToro. So the first thing to do if you want to deposit is just come to this sidebar here, tap on deposit fund, then the various way at which you can deposit fund into your bill. So right here, don't forget you can also do this on the mobile app, or you can also do this funding or the deposit fund on the website. But currently I'm on the website version, which is very cool. So right now this is the amount I want to purchase, which is 1,000 euro. So now if just input the amount of your choice, if you want, you can just simply put in 10,000, yeah, which is the rate. This is the rate right here to 1. Now after that, then you can just tap on this drop down button right in front of the debit card. Just tap on the drop down, then from there you can see the available option for you to deposit. You can deposit using your bank card, which is your debit card, or you can use bank transfer. So right here, let's start with the the debit card. So if you have your card ready, just input the card number, the month, the years, and the CVV of the card. Then also you input your name, your middle name, and your last name. And this is what you have to put this at the back of your mind if you are using the card. So make sure that this card should belongs to you and in your name. Do you get that? So if you want to use any card, make sure the card belongs to you and the card is in your name, because all the transaction be properly monitored so that you will not go and lose your fund. And also after that, you can also use the bank transfer process, which is the bank transfer. Then please enter the number, so you can just enter the bank number. After that, then you proceed with the necessary information. You can also do the required steps. After that, then continue, then follow the next step, then the prompt, then you can initiate your transaction. And that is how you can deposit money in eToro. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.